Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be sharing with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. Now, these all job opportunities are shared with you absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So request you to like, share and subscribe our channel. So very first job opportunity is for the QA analyst lead role, and they are looking for someone who can work with a remote job opportunity. They are looking for UI and API testing experience, SQL and database testing, right? Test strategy, test planning, defect management, root cause analysis. This is completely remote job opportunity, and you can apply for this position by sending your resume to this email address, right? So this is one of the job opportunity. Then Publicis Sapient is looking for senior associate, and the hiring is going on in multiple locations: Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. So notice period is immediate to 30 days. Someone who is already serving the notice period or whose notice period would end in a month, they can apply. The email address is provided, and they are looking for someone who is having 4 to 6 years or as well as 6 to 9 years in the quality engineering. So multiple candidates they are looking with multiple kinds of experience: 4 to 6 years, mid-level and senior level experience 6 to 9 years, hands-on experience in Java coding, test scripting at least 3 years, hands-on experience in API automation testing at least 3 years, and hands-on experience in Selenium, REST Assured, and TestNG framework. So you can send your resume on mail and you can write the subject line as application for senior associate QE. Then there is a requirement for performance testers. The company is Dassault Systems, and the qualification that they are looking is 60% throughout in all academics with 0 to 30 days of notice period, experience in JMeter tool, 1 to 3 years of hands-on experience in performance testing. And if you're interested, you can share your CV at this email address. Then LTI Mindtree is also hiring. They are hiring for Salesforce front-end developers, lead, and the experience required is 5 to 12 years. Notice period is immediate to 30 days. Work mode is hybrid. Right, so that is for LTI Mindtree. See, LTI Mindtree is a good company. If any one of you is looking to get a job opportunity, you can definitely switch. You can work over there for 1 or 2 years. It's a process oriented company. It's a good company. You can definitely give it a try. Then ADP India is currently looking for the testers, senior QA engineers, 5 to 9 years of experience with expertise in Java, Selenium, API testing, and Playwright automation. Web application experience is a must. So you can send your resume to the mentioned email address with the appropriate subject line, and again, immediate to 30 days. Then there is a company in Noida which is looking for QA engineers 1 to 3 years. So you can share your resume at hrdesignoveb.com. At Mulia, there are multiple requirements for automation testing roles, and they are looking for API automation testers, experience with REST Assured, mobile automation testers, experience with APM, JavaScript automation testers, experience with Playwright, and Python automation testers. So you are supposed to share your updated CV along with your current and expected CTC to anvesha.roy@mulia.com. Then there is a requirement for game testers, freshers, if you are looking for making your career in the field of software testing, and that too in the terms of games. You can definitely apply for these particular positions. They are looking for someone who are willing to make their career in the game testing, and someone who is passionate about gaming, playing video games, consoles, PlayStations, Xbox, mobile games. Good communication skills are required, and the location is Delhi, NCR, Agra, Jaipur. All these locations are fine with them. You can share your resume at this email address. So they have provided you the email address wherein you can apply. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.